You've built your house in Pascal, furnished it, painted it, but that wood in your kitchen, you can't find it anywhere in the library because it only exists in your kitchen. This is Pascal Material Studio, 3 ways to create realistic PBR materials for your Pascal projects and beyond. Turn a photo into a material that matches your real home. Grab inspiration from Pinterest or any image, or just describe what you have in mind and try ideas before making them real. First, take a photo that clearly shows the material you want to capture. For me, that's this kitchen wood. In Pascal, open Studio, then Materials. You get 3 models. Patina Material creates a material from a simple text description. Patina Extract pulls a material out of any image. And Patina Maps takes a texture you already have and makes it seamless and realistic. Today, we need Patina Extract. Add your photo as a reference, then describe what you want to extract. In our case, the wood. Pick a resolution. The AI credits adjust automatically. And generate. Once it's done, give your material a name. Keep it private or share it with the Pascal community. The category is detected for you. Every texture map can be previewed and downloaded as PNG, WebP, or KTX2. Save your changes, then click Use in Paint tool. You land directly in paint mode with your material ready to go. A few clicks later, and our kitchen looks a lot more like the real one. Now, this green wall, let's try something more creative. This time, Patina Material. No photo, just a prompt, banana wallpaper. Generate, and there it is. A lovely, seamless banana wallpaper, ready to use in any project. Let's paint it on, and voila! This room is ready for summer. Material Studio is available now in Pascal. Go try it and show us what you create. See you in the next one!